Hey y'all, and welcome to our slice of life here in lovely Germany. And for those of you who are subscribers, it's been a while, right? Yeah.
We apologize.
We've been working behind the scenes. We haven't stopped filming. Come on, Pen. And I switched softwares for doing the video editing. And I'll tell you what, the learning curve, yeah, there's a learning curve. I was using a Microsoft product that was pretty much drag and drop, and you just put your clips in. Not very powerful, and I'll tell you what, when it came to post-processing, it took forever. The last video that I uploaded took a little more than 2.5 hours for it to process. Then I had to upload it. So we switched, and I have been learning a much better program, DaVinci.
The videos look better.
The video, I'm learning, and so like this is new. And hey, do what the buttons say. Click, like, subscribe, comment. Yeah,
Please,
do it all.
send us your comments. We'd love to hear from everybody.
So I'm learning green screens. I'm learning, all types of effects that this thing can do, that this software can do. And it's been great. But we have been busy. So Mama's garden, you can see. We got the plants going. We got some tomatoes down there. We got some wax beans and some beans here. And then some cucumbers here.
There's peppers here.
There's pepper plants in here, and they're getting there.
I got a weed, but we had 3 days of rain, so.
And of course we have potatoes
with
going
some garlic
in the potato bin.
Back there,
and some garlic,
and
some of the grapes.
Yeah, we got grapes on them.
Yep. And all types of berries.
This is raspberries. And we call these gooseberries, but the Germans call them something else. And
also,
over here,
we've been extending all of this out.
Yep.
He's so far from a property line, so far from a structure, or you put it in the ground. Well, he put it in the ground, and that's where all that dirt came from. But like I said, we've been busy. I mean, look, we've got squash. We've got the bananas are looking great. The banana trees.
Strawberries are done for the season.
She spent time and she organized all of the inside of the greenhouse.
It's like my little hidey hole now. Still got more work to do, but...
Carrots over here. Garlic in here. Radishes over here.
This is my newest addition. It's a pepper vine.
This is the newest. It'll make the pepper that you grind up and you use on your food. Not peppers like out there where,
this is spice
the
pepper.
vegetable. This is the spice.
And then this is the second back of lettuce.
The hydroponic, we built a hydroponic system, and now she has more loose lettuce growing. And these
are spinaches.
She's working on spinach.
Let's see what...
they're just now sprouting, so, it's all been rolling along. And I'm sorry that we ran into the issue of using the Microsoft product and losing footage and crashes and spending hours and hours and hours on doing the editing to lose it all. And it just...
It frustrates Mike.
I was getting so mad. So I've been working with DaVinci and learning all the ins and outs of how to do fades and how to do clippings and color corrections and green screen and all of that neat stuff. And
moving banners, and
this way we can produce a better content for you guys, right?
And hopefully one that doesn't take as long.
So the video that I'm already editing, it's already on the computer. So this is kind of like future Mike. You're going to see I have a beard on it and all of that, because we have footage it's just old. Like, I've been shooting, but I didn't learn how to edit with this software, and I didn't want to go back to Microsoft. I wanted to force myself into learning the software.
Look at the water dead.
We did that, right? And I have a video that we're gonna fade off to here in a minute of rescuing a chicken.
The brown one with the black neck.
The goldish colored, brownish colored one here. She got herself in a little bit of a predicament.
Yeah.
And we helped her along. So
they're troublemakers.
Chickens are all good. We're getting eggs.
Yeah, about 5, 6 a day.
Yeah,
so
5, 6 a day. We did have, and it's remarkable.
Yeah.
We had a crow
that was stealing
the eggs. The crow would fly in because the top of the coop is not covered. We don't have to worry about raptors here. Hawks or anything. It was coming in and stealing the eggs.
Yeah.
Because for like 3 days, you know, Rachel comes in and she's like, "There's no chickens aren't laying eggs.
There's no eggs."
Well, I caught the crow stealing the eggs. So we've had some crazy rain the last couple of days.
Torrential. Come see that.
I'll show you. We're going to show you here in a minute.
Yeah, all of our hard work.
But it's been great for the hayfield.
And it's great for the garden.
The hayfield looks great. The problem is we're scheduled for rain like throughout for a whole week.
Yeah.
And I need to get down there and cut that hay, because if you look, you can see it's nearby kneecap level, and it's the first cut. You let it grow long because it gets a little hot for the horses. So you do want it some stemmy and everything like that. So we're right in the zone to get it cut.
But it's supposed to rain. And when it's stemmy, you got to leave it down for a few days.
Look at this bed of onions.
Yeah.
This is all onions.
I'm going to have lots of onions to braid.
And Rachel was talking about the water damage.
Yeah.
And it's crazy.
It took out.
Look at that.
It's all down in the field.
On the last video, I believe, showed me putting the dirt here and backfilling it. And the water basically ran, between that downspout, and there's Penny Dog. Between that downspout, and this is all downhill from the road. All the water rushed down through here and washed that out. Needless to say, I have tractor work that I have to do.
Yeah, a little bit.
I'll have to go ahead and get on the tractor with the bucket, scrape that dirt back, and put it back where it belongs. But anyway.
And the trees have done good from their arboring.
Let's show you what else we got into here with these chickens, and we'll be back after the clip.
Yep.
All right, so I was checking on the chickens, and there's an issue with one of them. So she just got home, so she's gonna help me rescue this chicken.
Oh, dear God.
She's thinking, oh dear God, it's nothing serious. It's really, really easy, I think. I just happened to notice, I come out here, and I think the easiest way is going to be to get some of this. We could get some of these worms.
7.
So we're going to come in here, and Rachel's going to close the door behind us. And I'm going to spread this stuff so that she can grab the gold chicken.
Yeah, she's not easy to grab.
Just grab her. Just grab her. I already know what's wrong. I already know what's wrong.
You have to bring her closer. She's a runner.
So I noticed she was walking funny, and then I looked at her, and she has string all around her feet. So Rachel's having fun trying to catch her.
She's a runner. Bring her to me. Bring her to me.
Corner her. Catching chickens. It's like herding cats. Go ahead. I am definitely videoing this.
Come on, you gotta move.
Oh, trap now. Okay. So she went into the coop.
Do you have scissors?
Which is Benny, yep. And I just so happen to have scissors. Tiny little scissors. So we're going to perform some surgery. Well, not really surgery. We're just going to untangle a chicken. So this could be from a feed bag or anything like that. It's just chickens get themselves into trouble. And I'm glad I noticed, because you can see it's kind of constricting a little bit. But I don't think it's been on here long, because I look at the chickens every day. And when I saw she was acting funny, I needed to see what was wrong. And that's one. Oh, almost one.
It's around her tail.
That's how she got in the predicament. It was around her little toe. And we got this one over here.
Cut right there. And then slide the scissors under there. Sideways.
Just let me mess with it here. Oh no, I'm gonna unwind it.
It's loose. It's loose.
Pen. Penny. Hey, come. Come on.
Dummy.
Penny. Come. Come. She good?
Yeah.
All the way back?
Yeah. Really?
So as you can see,
Really?
she's walking normal. So, crisis averted. She says,
This is the one I saved. She never shuts up.
Come on, Pen. Penelope. I gotta keep an eye on the shepherd. She likes to get herself into trouble. Okay, chicken saved. So, yeah, she came out from under the coop and was kind of moving one leg, like limping. I'm like, something's not right. So I spotted that string. So we got it. Problem solved. All right, so yeah, that chicken. I think it was from a feed bag or something like that.
So.
That
they get in the barn sometimes.
Because we do let them run loose on the fields. To give them more real estate, bugs to eat, stuff like that. So she picked it up either from going into the barn because the door's right there, and because of the style, the door closes from the inside and locks from the inside. It's an old barn door. It's a double hinge like barn door, and you have to put a block against it from the outside in order to keep it closed if you're outside.
But then the top will still swing open, and they can jump
bang,
that high.
They bang and all that. But anyway, so long story short, it looks like the chicken picked that string up from a feed bag or whatever. Crisis averted. But it's like we said in the intro, we've been busy behind the scenes. We got a lot going on. Excuse me. I have probably a good couple hours of video at least.
Which is good, because right now we're doing a project for a friend of ours that's going to keep us. We haven't decided if we're going to video it or not.
We'll probably video the project.
But it's not our. It's a project for a friend.
So I've worked. I worked for the Air Force for a very long time and retired. But before that, I did construction work. Some of it's evident in what we do here at the homestead. Some of it might not be. I mean, the bench we're sitting on here, I did put this together.
Well, and he built my greenhouse.
And of course, I built this greenhouse. You saw that. But I'm slinging laminate floor.
Yeah.
And it's a lot of laminate floor.
Yeah.
It's probably around 2,500 square feet of flooring.
It's a big house.
Maybe a little more.
Yeah.
I'm already about an eighth of the way done with slinging the floor. Doing the layout and all that took some time. And then once you get going, the floor lays itself. It's going quite well. But that's a side note. You know, I'll probably video it, let you guys see some of it.
But it's just going to take up a lot of our time the next week.
So I'll probably be on this flooring job for a week and a half, 2 weeks.
Because we only work it in the evenings after work.
My yearly camping trip is this weekend.
Yes, so he won't be able to work over there on Saturday.
So on Saturday I won't be able to do it. The bad thing is we're forecasted for rain, and it's our annual camping trip that we always go on.
It always rains on Kingston for you guys.
So it's going to be an adventure. But,
and Mike gets to take his new power bank.
Yeah, I'll show you guys that in another video. I bought a solar power bank.
Yeah, he's really excited to get to use it for the first time.
Bought it with my own money, no sponsors, no anything like that.
Yeah.
But I needed something so that I had AC power when I am not near an outlet, and that's a lot. But it's been crazy. But I am going to put my graphic here again because I learned it. I gotta put it here, right? So,
He's quite proud of learning his things.
Do like it says.
Leave
Click,
us a
subscribe,
comment.
like, comment.
We'd love to hear from everybody.
Thank you for sticking with us through the pause.
And we're really sorry.
I know it screwed up the algorithm. I did pick up some subscribers, and we do it for your entertainment purposes, and it keeps us motivated, right?
Also, if you want, go over to TikTok and look up Rock and K Adventures.
Yep.
I've got a TikTok channel there that I'm a little bit more
and on TikTok,
regular
she puts up a lot about the cats and stuff like that.
Just weird stuff.
You can go over there and check that out. I am working on our Instagram and our Facebook. That's still
We're still learning them.
It's a work in progress.
And we haven't figured out how to link everything.
On our YouTube page, you can get to our Instagram and our Facebook, but I don't post on there that much right now because I'm still learning all of this, right? It's kind of crazy. But we love each and every one of you. We want to thank you for hanging out here with us. And, I have a motto that I say at the end of every video, and I'm going to say it at the end of this video, and I'll say it at the end of every other video. And it's because, to me, connection means a lot. And for those that have served in the military and have been away from home, that voice, that even over the phone or even a text, it adds connection. It soothes. It makes a difference.
Especially for people that aren't used to being away from family.
If you don't know, the struggles that our veterans and our military go through, look at 22 a day.
Yep.
And, that lifeline you put out there, that, hey, what's up? It could be life-changing, life-altering. But the motto is, if you're thinking about family or you're thinking about friends, give them a what's up or a WhatsApp. Reach out to them. You would love to hear from them too. And until the next installment, which should be soon, auf Wiedersehen.
Tschüss.